Paco. This is my bird. What are you doing? Wait, I'm gonna put my brightness up. Now you can see better, but it's kind of blurry. So, this is my burb. I call him Burb, but his name is Paco. Sorry, Burb, I poke you in the eye, but you can poke you. And some people will be like, oh my god, why are you that close to a burb? I'm so scared, but because he likes me and my sister. And my grandma's talking on the phone in the background. Where you going? Cracked my legs. If we get 5 subscribers, and I'm probably sure that will never happen, or 10, I will do a face reveal. Is it getting closer and closer to the screen? He likes when you pat him on the back and he does this weird thing and he puts his head back. It looks really weird. What are you doing? You want water? Well, the water's over there. And there are also some mini burbs in that other cage.
¿Vas a sacarlo? ¿Vas a sacarlo o no?
No. And if you don't know what my grandma just said, she just said, are you going to put him outside? And I said, no. Pretty sure that's what she said. But I know Spanish. And I don't know why I'm talking like that. Like, yeah. What are you doing, Paco? Do you want water? We gave you water. Paco. His hand is gonna. Ew. You want the water? Yeah, you do want water. That was just a little tap. Goodbye, Paco. Goodbye. Is it coming to me? I don't know why I'm doing this. It looks weird. But goodbye. So again. See you again next time. Bye-bye. This is where I was recording in bed. Pillow. There's another pillow that was in one pillow in a whatever those things that the things that you put on the outside of them so then they won't get dirty. Yeah, there was 2 pillows in there. I always thought that was one. And you guys are probably wondering, how am I have so many videos and not even use any space? Oh, that's because of CC Cleaner. C Cleaner. I don't know how to print. I don't know what it's called, but I'm pretty sure it's called C Cleaner. If you want to remove a lot of space on your phone, that is just junk, you download C Cleaner. It's a very good app. There's not that many ads. There's no ads. But just download C Cleaner if you want to free space on your phone. And yeah. Where are you, Paco? And that's going to be it for this video for Paco. Goodbye.